This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, in today's session, we're going to discuss about the same topic like joins, concatenation, as well as merge. Okay. Now, what use case I'm going to do here is how to join all the elements present in a series. Okay, join all elements in the list present in a series. Okay, first I want to change the name. Now I'm going to show joins as well as concatenation. Rename it. Now what you have to do, import the library, import pandas as pd, and then df equal to pd dot read csv, and then you can use escape sequence. Then machine language package, you can use the dnb dataset, control c, and then nba dot csv. Just take the info, it's the information. Okay, which are columns is object, and which are columns is float, which are columns is going to integer. You can see all the types. Now what I'm going to do, the first requirement I'm going to do is I want to first I will display the information first 5 records. Okay, now for every character I want to use hyphen. Though my name is Avery Bradley, for A I have to use hyphen, and V I have to use hyphen, E I have to use hyphen, like this. For this name column I have to use the hyphen. Okay, this is the first requirement. Joining all the string elements. The first requirement is joining all the string elements. Joining all the string elements. Okay, first thing you have to do, df dot if any not a value is not available, you have to remove it. So drop any, and then you can give in place equal to true. Drop the values that's not available, missing values I can say. Now what I'm going to do, I want to apply. Okay, like I want to df of, I'm going to take the name column, and then I'm going to convert into a st string str. You can use str, and then you can use the join function. In the join function, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use hyphen. Okay, for every character, the name every character will get the hyphen. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign to the same column itself. I'm going to assign to the same column itself. Now if you call df dot head, you can able to see for every character I used hyphen. Okay, this is how you can do joining all the string elements. Okay, for every character I'm joining with the hyphen. This is how you can do join the all the string elements. Now second requirement is how to join the elements of list. How to join the elements of the list. How to join the elements of your list. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the team column. In the team column, I want to split into a string array. Like Boston is on a 0th position and Celtic is going to first position. Like this, I want to convert to a string array. For that, what I have to do, I'm going to use using split function. Using split function, I'm going to split based on this space. Okay, in the Boston Celtics, you can see the space, right? Based on space, I'm going to split. Now how to do is, first you have to select the df of team column. in the team column I want to convert into a string str, and then I'm going to use split. In the split I'm going to use how to split, like can I use, yeah, okay, in the split function what I'm going to do, you can use space to split, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the t, based on the t I'm going to split. Okay, if I use t as a delimiter, I'll get BOS, and then I will get ONCEL. Okay, ONCL I'll get, and then ICS I'll get. I get three values based on the t I'm splitting. T is a delimiter now. T is a delimiter. After splitting, I'm going to assign to the same column itself. Okay, after splitting, what I'm going to do, I'm going to now if you use bf.head, you can see now I split it into four values. It's a list actually. BOS, and then I get ON, and then ONCL. After that I got ICS. Okay, now instead of comma I want to replace with hyphen. Okay, instead of comma I want to replace with hyphen. How to do? Or you can use hyphen or underscore. How to replace comma as underscore? df of team, and then convert into string, and then you can use join API. The join API, what you can do? You can use underscore. You can use underscore, and then you assign to the same column itself. df of team. Now you can use df of head. You can able to see instead of comma I got the values underscore BOS underscore ON CL underscore ICS. This is how you can do. You can use split API, and then you can split the values. After splitting the value, you can use join API. Okay, whichever you have the default limiter, the default delimiter will convert into underscore. This is how you have to do. Now the next requirement is very simple. How to join yet two text columns into a single column in Pandas DataFrame. I want to combine the two columns in a single column. Combine two columns into a single column in your Pandas DataFrame. How to do it? Let's give it a try. How to convert? Yeah, you can take any columns. Okay, I'm going to take df.head. In the df.head, I'm going to have so many columns. Okay, I'm going to use shift enter. You can able to see so much columns. I want to. I'm going to take three columns. Convert three columns to single column. How to do it? There are various methods are available. Okay, the various methods I'm going to show to you is, first one is using cat function. You can do cat function. First take the new column name. I'm going to take the new column name. Don't take the new column name. Okay, do one thing. Just take the name column itself. Okay, name column itself, and then what you can do, you can do str, convert the string, convert into string str, right, tab is one out. Okay, str, and then you can use cat. Okay, Now we're going to the concatenation. Cat means concatenation. In the concatenation, I'm going to pass the column name. What column name are going to pass? df of team. Now I have two column names, name column, team column. I want to combine the two columns in a single column. Okay, what I'm going to do? I'm going to assign the same column itself, df of name. And then you can see the first 5 records better. Now you can able to see how I combined the two columns single column. So you can see Avery Bradley and Boston Celtics came, right. Now this is the way you can able to combine the two columns into a single column in a Pandas data frame. Okay, this is the method one actually. You can use convert to string, and then you can do the cat function concatenation, and then you can pass the second column name. Now I'm going to show the method two. If you have more than two column names, how to concatenate. I'm going to show now what you have to do. There is a one way is there. You can go for lambda function, and lambda is another function you can go. Okay. Now I'm going to take df of name. df of name. I can do one thing. I will take two more columns. One is a name column. Another column I will take college. College, C-O-L-L-E-G, right? College, just copy the college. And then have one more column. Let's take position. It's going to be object. Now what you can do, you can apply the, close one more brackets. You can apply the anonymous function. In apply function, you can use anonymous function. Apply. You can use a lambda. Okay, you can use lambda, and then you can take lambda, and then what you can do, you can have one variable called x, and then I'm going to use one space and then join of x. I'm going to filter all these columns. After filtering all the columns, I'm going to apply to a variable called x, and then using join API, I'm going to join all the three columns. Okay, just join of x, and then you can use x is equal to 1. X equal to 1 means columns. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to apply to one column called df of name. Assign this value to one column called df of name. df of name. Okay, now you can do one thing, df of head. Now you can able to see I can able to combine three columns in a single column. Avery Bradley on Celtics and Texas PG column image came. Okay, this is how you can do. You can use some lambda function, and then you can filter all these records and apply to variable x, and then using join away and able to add all the records in your name column. Whichever column you're adding. For example, if you want to add in a new column, you can do. I'm going to give a name, full name. Okay. You see, I got one more column called full name. This is a new column for me, and then I can able to combine the more than two columns. I can able to combine using this lambda function. Okay. Now the next requirement I'm going to show. This is going to method 2 actually. Okay, this is going to method 2. This is going to method 1. Using cat function, you can able to combine two columns. If you want to combine more than two columns, better go for the anonymous function. Now I'm going to show how to combine two columns using concatenation operator. I can take the same hints. Combine two columns, a single column part of data frame using concatenation operator. Using concatenation operator. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to have the same column of df of college, and then first time convert into string type. Okay, you can use str. That's another way you can do. As type, as type, and then you can convert to string. You can directly use dot str, or you can use as type of str. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to concatenate, just to give you one space, plus. Now I'm using the concatenation operator to concatenate values. Now I'm going to take the position. Okay, df of position. Just copy this index, df of position, and then assign to one new column. Okay, df of, I'm going to assign something called new name. Now you can able to see the first 5 records. Okay, don't put 0. df of head. Now you can able to see, I can able to combine college column, position column, the third using concatenation operator. Okay, you want to convert it to string. Okay, and then you can able to concatenate 2 or more columns. Like this you can do. There are 3 ways we can do. One, you can use a concatenation function, or you can use anonymous function lambda, and then third you can apply the concatenation operator. Okay, now next requirement we're going to work with date and time. Pandas data frame, date and time. Pandas data frame, date and time. Okay, when you're working with data, most of the peoples will encounter the time series data. If you take any big data works, you'll be looking only for time series data based on time. What are the records you got? Okay, for every records, sometimes they will have a timestamp. Okay, if you are going with any real-time feed, okay, or any kind of batch feeds, we can able to see for each records will have a time, timestamp. Okay, that's what we're saying. It's a time series data. Whenever you are working with any time series data, you can go for a one ecosystem in Python that is called Pandas data frame. In the Pandas data frame, we can work with the time series data. You can work. Okay, as well as this Pandas providing very set of useful tools to analyze the time series data, and then you can work with the date and time as well as you can work in the different time zones as well. Okay, you can able to handle everything in the Pandas data frame. Now I'm going to show a simple thing to you. I'm going to take one df1 equal to pd dot date range. I'm going to generate some date ranges. For example, the date range API, I want to give the start date as well as end date. You can able to see start date, end date you have to provide, and then you have to provide a periods. Periods means how many dates you require. For example, from June 20 to July 31. Okay, how many dates you looking for? Okay, 20 dates or 10 dates. That's a periods. And then frequency. Frequency means it's a hourly frequency looking for, or monthly frequency, or weekly frequency, or daily frequency. Okay, and then T stands for time zone. Okay, these are the various attributes you have to work on it. First, these all attributes are not mandatory. Which one is important for your requirements, you can use it. Now I'm going to use the start value. Just you can mention start. You can provide the dates. You can provide the dates by putting single quotes. Now you can provide the dates. I'm going to provide like 11 and then 11 11 2021. Okay. Now next, no need to provide any end date. I'm going to provide the periods. how many dates you're looking for. Okay, I'm looking for around 30 dates, and then I'll put the frequency. Frequency, what frequency you're going for? Hourly frequency or monthly frequency? Okay, I'm looking for hourly frequency. Okay, now I'm going to display the data. Df1.head. Daytime has no index. Okay, let it be. Think first check the type. First check the type. What type it belongs to? Df1. Okay, it's a daytime index. Okay, just you should not call it df1. You can call. You can see the daytime index. Okay, it's not data frame. You can set like it's a daytime index. You make it as date index, and then make this thing as date index. Okay, now you can able to see 30 periods. 30 periods means you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you calculate all the things, you will get the how much frequency periods. 30 periods you get frequencies hours. Hours means you can see like now with hour is 0 hours, and 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6 like this. Hours is keep on incrementing 1 hour. Okay, if you want to change for weekly frequency, you can use W, or monthly frequency like M, like that you can give some frequency values. Okay, I got the around 30 reads I got. Now from this daytime index, I want to get the month and year. I want to extract only the month and year. Don't say data frame, it's the index actually. I'm getting some list of range of values. Okay, for any data frame, you can use this. You can use this one as index column. Okay, now fine. Now from this datetime index, I want to extract month and year. How to extract the month and year? Have one variable y equal to pd dot. I can give like pd dot date time now. 1 minute. Pd dot date time. That is a date time. Date happening here. Pd dot date time dot now. Yeah. Pd dot date time dot now. It's one of the deprecated version. Okay. From this now API, you can get my you can get my clock from a calendar. You can get the date as well as time I can get. Okay. Now from this I can able to extract the month. Y dot month. It's going to give the month, and then if I put y dot year, I can able to extract the year. Okay. From my calendar, you can able to see the clock, right? In my calendar, it's giving the date as well as time. From that, I can able to extract the year as month. I can able to do all the stuffs I can able to. Okay. Minutes, seconds, microseconds, minutes, months, everything I can able to extract. Microseconds. These are the microseconds. Okay. Like this, I can able to extract the month, day, year, everything I can able to extract. Okay, date and okay, next requirement, what I can show to you is, I'll do one thing. I want to extract year, month, day, hour, minutes. I want to extract year, month. Okay, I want to extract year, month, day, hour, minutes. Okay, now what I'm going to do, first I want to I know the Pandas PD, and then I'm going to use a date range. In the date range, I'm going to give some dates, a start date. Start date I'm going to give like start date start equal to, okay, start equal to 1/1/2020, and then the end date is going to give end equal to 3/3/2023, and then frequency ph I have to set ph equal to 50, and then frequency equal to hourly frequency I'm going to set, and then I'm going to assign to the one. I'm going to assign to a one. I'm going to say it like date index, right? Date index. Let's see what happened. Exactly 3 must be specified. Okay. The 4 parameters start, end, period, and frequency exactly 3 must be specified. Okay. I'm going to remove the end one. Yeah. Now I'm going to use a date index. Now you can able to see the index values. Okay. From this index values, I'm going to generate one data frame. I want to extract year, month, day, hours, minutes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do? I'll do one thing. First, I'll create one empty data frame. I'll create one empty data frame. Just to you have like a df3 equal to pd dot data frame. Now I'm going to create one empty data frame. After creating this empty data frame, okay, now what I'm going to do? Just I'm going to take these things, copy, and then here, and then assign this index to one data frame. I'm going to assign the index to one DF3 data frame. Previously it was the empty data frame. Previously it was empty data frame. Okay, now I'm going to assign some name called timestamp. Now if you hit df3.head, you can able to see the all the values in the data frame. The column name is called timestamp. Now from this data frame, I want to extract the year, month, day, hour, and minute. Okay. Now it's very simple actually. Now what you have to do? Df of 3. Just make it as year. First, I want to extract the year uh, equal to df3 dot dt. dt means 1 minute. dt. Okay. D and t will be there. Let's see. Yeah. dt means it will be a date. From that I can able to extract the year. Let's see. Let's see. df3 dt dot year. df3 dot dt dot year. df3 dot dt dot year. Okay, okay, I got it. I made a blunder mistake. What mistake I did is I used df3. In the df3, I want to convert into a Pandas series. Pandas series means it will be a single column. Okay, just to choose timestamp. Now you can apply the dt. dt means date time. From that you can able to extract the year, month, days, everything you can extract. Now I'm going to extract the year. Let's see. Yeah. Now I extracted the year. If you use the df3, you can able to see the columns. I extracted the column now, right? The same thing I'm going to extract for the month, day, hours, minutes. Just copy, paste, then just copy and paste. Okay, just change month, day, hour, minutes. Month, a new column, month, and then I can make day, hour, minutes. Okay, you can change here dd dot. We can give, like you are looking for a day, right? You can give day, and then you can change for dd dot hour. Can change for minute, and then you can add one more thing for month, dd dot month. Just cut and then paste it here and then month. Okay, now you can do df3 dot head. Now I created a new data frame. From the timestamp column I extracted the year, month, day, hour and minutes. Okay, this is how you can able to extract the year, month, day, hours, minutes from a single column, from the timestamp column. Now the next requirement I'm going to show, I want to see a present time. I want to see my present time. Okay, how to see the present time? Or to get the present time, I want to get the present time in my clock. You already know timestamp dot now you have to use. If you want to get the present timestamp, you want to use, I will take one variable called the t equal to pd dot. I'm going to use one library called tslib. Let's see it's there or not. Timestamp library it is, tslib, and then you can use timestamp. Let's check timestamp dot now. Okay, tslib is not available. Pandas. Okay, why the pandas pd is not having this library? Let's see. Pandas, let's see. Okay, pd tslib is not available. Okay, let's check on this pd dot timestamp dot now. Okay, yeah, this is how you can get the present timestamp. Okay, 223, 525, 1015. Okay, hours, minutes, seconds you can get. Now, what I want to do, I want to convert this timestamp into date time. I want convert the timestamp into, you can see year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds. I want to convert into date and time. Okay, and then you can directly fetch the year, month or day. You can do how to do it. To convert any timestamp to date time, there's one API called to date time. Convert timestamp to date time. Okay, that is one API will be available. You can use it like t dot to underscore date time. Okay, yeah, you can see like how many date times are available. Yeah, date time 64 bit is available. You can choose these things. You can convert present time into date time. Okay, now you can see convert into the date time format like 223, and then convert into month, and then day, and then this is going to time. T stands for time, and then 10 hours, minutes again. So I change it into date time. This is how you can able to convert. Now I want to extract the year. Let's see how to extract the year. If you use t dot year, you can extract the year like this. You can extract all the things. T dot month, you can extract the month, and then t dot day, t dot hour, t dot day, t dot hour, and then you can t dot minute, and then t dot second. Okay, just do one thing. T dot day, and then t dot hour, and then t dot month, and then t dot minute, t dot again minute, and then t dot second. Okay, this is how we can able to extract the month, minutes, seconds, hours after converting into datetime format. Okay, first if you are having a timestamp format, convert datetime format using data 64, and then you can extract the year, month, day, hours, month, and then you can do all the stuffs. Okay, now these are the basic things. Tomorrow going to continue with how to if the any other data frame having the time series data, how to convert timestamp into datetime. Okay, from the datetime how to extract the month, year, hours, minutes, seconds we're going to see tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to close session right now.